Welcome to our educational channel. So in this video, let me start with the first chapter, algebra. So in this IIT Foundation course, the first chapter is algebra and we have second chapter is polynomial. There we can discuss more topics based on that. Now in this chapter, let me discuss only the basic important chapters or important topics from this. First, let us see the some standard formulas in algebra. So these are the list of the topics here. First, let us discuss some standard formulas. So, what are the main formulas we required in algebra? And second, problems related to the algebraic functions. So, let us see some problems also based on that. Next, HCF, highest common factor. So, what is highest common factor of the functions? And next, problems related to the HCF of the functions. Again, LCM, okay, least common multiple of the functions topic we'll discuss. Again, same way we'll see some problems related to the LCM of the functions. Okay, these are the basic topics I'll explain from this algebra chapter. And chapter 2, we have the polynomials. In that we can discuss briefly each and every topic. So, okay, let us begin with standard formula in algebra. So, if you see this, standard formulas in algebra. So, before learning the formulas, let us see what is the formula here. So when you see, the meaning of the formula is nothing but there's a mathematical statement. Okay, the formula, if you see any formulas in maths, there should be a mathematical statement. There should be equality sign. That means there should be equal symbol. It's a mathematical statement, but the relation between just two or more variables, minimum two variables required. Mathematical statement, that is the relation between two or more variables. Then only you can treat as a formula. So let us see directly with some important basic formulas from this. Okay. So formulas, let me write directly all those which we required from this. The first one, all the important formulas I'll tell. So approximately we have around 15 important formulas from the algebra. A plus B whole square. All the basics to all your related formulas I'll give now. A plus B whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So a plus b whole square. Now this is the mathematical statement because of the equal to symbol. There is a two or more variables. With one variable also we can make, but mostly take more two or more variables having the formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Otherwise we can read as a square plus 2ab plus b square also. Both are same because everything is in addition. So that means here is a plus b whole square. So a plus b into a plus b, if you multiply you will get this. So only first formula let us check. Remaining all I won't check here. A plus b whole square is nothing but a plus b into a plus b. Because of whole square, same term, same expression I should multiply two times. So if you multiply with a, you should multiply these both. So with a plus b. Again second one is plus b. Again a plus b. First term will multiply everything, with second term also multiply everything. Then a into a is a square plus ab plus b into a is ba, or ab also you can write, plus b into b is b square. If you write combine, ab plus ab is 2ab plus b square. Okay. This is the a plus b whole square formula. So instead of giving each and everything calculation, just directly I'll write the formulas. You just learn from this. Now the second is a minus b whole square. So if you see the difference, a square minus 2ab plus b square it is. So plus and minus. You should know some what is exactly where is the difference. Then you can remembering the formulas are easy. Third one is a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. Okay, all the list of the formulas are right here. And next, based on the first and second formula, we can make like this other two more. One is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. that is 2 into a square plus b square. Just first and second formulas if you add, we will get this RHS. So you can do verification also. Similarly, subtraction, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So first formula minus second, LHS and RHS if you do separately, some terms will get cancelled, then we'll get 4ab. Okay, we need to remember those, because to make the math problems very fast, we need to remember this. And sixth one, this is a three variables, a plus b plus c whole square. This we can write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That means ab plus ab two times will come when you multiplying a plus b plus c into again a plus b plus c. If you multiply, you'll get this. So in terms of sigma also we can write like this one, sigma a square plus 2 into sigma bc. This is in terms of sigma, means this is a cycling type we can take. Otherwise just only can remember this till here. And similarly, let us see cube formulas. A plus b whole cube. This is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b. 3ab into a plus b. Or else we can simplify this more. If you simplify, you can write another way also. That is a cube plus b cube plus with 3ab multiply a plus b. This is after taking 3ab common, this way we can make. Otherwise you can remember even 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, if you multiply. Generally instead of this we can write in order a square. So a cube is a plus now, next to 3a square b. Because a cube a square I am writing with 8 letter order. 3a b square plus b cube. Okay, you can remember even this also. And a minus b whole cube. Yeah, you can see the difference for this both a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. So for a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube will come minus of minus 3ab into a minus b. All are negative sign except a cube term. Okay, this one if you simplify, again you will get, you can see a cube alternate sign negative signs. So first is a cube, there is a plus 1. Next minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. You see the difference. 9. So these are the 7 and 8 for a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Okay, let me give more. If they are taking with some x plus a, x is number, x is a variable and a is number, if you treat x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. We are going to use these formulas also. Again somewhere we have x plus a into x minus a. If you change the sign also, there is a formula. This main thing you remember. And for this, if you take the 3, here is x plus a into x plus b, only 2. X plus a into x plus b into x plus c. There is a 3 expressions multiplied together. This formula starts with x cube plus next x square into a plus b plus c. You can see the order, cyclic type, plus with x into ab plus bc plus ca plus abc. Okay, this is for x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, right? Now let us see cube formulas more too. That is a cube plus b cube, one formula, and a cube minus b cube. See the difference is both. A cube plus b cube is a plus b, same sign will come. In the bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, if it's plus means a plus, next is minus is coming. For a cube minus b cube, start with a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. By seeing the difference, you need to learn. And more 13th. Okay, this is the 11 and 12 for a cube plus b cube. Next we have the cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Most of the problems will use this concept. This value is exactly equals to a plus b plus c in the bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, if you multiply this, you will get this LHS. This you need to remember. And based on the 13th, we have the 14th one. In case this a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if a plus b plus c is equals to 0, that means this entire 0 means 0 into this, everything is 0 only. Then from the formula number 13 only, you can make like this. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. Okay, minus 3abc if we take other side. In case this is 0, 13th formula onwards only, this 14th we made, right? And the last formula I'll give from this algebra for this topic, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. That exactly equals to half of the a minus b square, half of the within the bracket a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square, and close the bracket. Okay, so these are the basic and important 15 formulas. These 15 formulas, if you perfect even to remember also, then we can do most of the problems. This is standard formula in algebra. Now let us see next topic. So using these formulas, how the problems will come and how we need to solve.